Welcome to Health Lantern. Today we will be talking about how important the hormone cortisol is to how your body functions and 10 ways you can keep it balanced. Let's jump in. Cortisol is a hormone produced by the adrenal glands, which are located on top of the kidneys. It plays a vital role in the body's response to stress and helps regulate various physiological processes. Cortisol is commonly known as the stress hormone because it is released in response to stress. It helps the body cope with stressful situations by increasing energy production and suppressing non-essential functions such as digestion and the immune system. Cortisol influences the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It promotes the breakdown of stored glycogen into glucose, which provides a quick source of energy for the body. It also stimulates the release of fatty acids from fat stores, making them available for energy production. Cortisol helps maintain stable blood sugar levels by regulating glucose production in the liver. It ensures the brain and muscles have enough glucose during stress. Cortisol helps regulate the immune response and prevent excessive inflammation. However, chronically elevated cortisol levels can suppress immune function, making individuals more susceptible to infections. Cortisol plays a role in maintaining blood pressure by influencing the constriction and relaxation of blood vessels. Cortisol helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle and promotes wakefulness and alertness during the day. Cortisol affects memory formation and cognitive function. Optimal cortisol levels are important for learning and memory consolidation, but chronically elevated levels or prolonged exposure to stress can impair these processes. Cortisol can influence weight management. Some stress and cortisol release can temporarily suppress appetite. However, chronic stress and elevated cortisol levels may lead to increased appetite, cravings for high-calorie foods, and weight gain, particularly around the abdominal area. Cortisol is involved in the regulation of bone metabolism. Prolonged elevation of cortisol levels can lead to bone mineral density loss and increase the risk of osteoporosis. Cortisol can affect mood and emotional well-being. Elevated cortisol levels have been associated with anxiety, depression, and impaired stress coping mechanisms. With all this information, you can see why it is so important to keep your cortisol hormone balanced and stress levels down. Here are 10 strategies and supplements you can implement. Number 1. Balance your life to manage stress. This is a broad one, but important to cover. These are all the things we all know will help us feel better and help us manage our stress levels, but are not always the easiest to be consistent at. This includes: practice stress management techniques such as yoga or meditation, exercise, prioritize sleep, maintain a balanced diet, limit caffeine, connect with others and engage in enjoyable activities, set boundaries for yourself and learn to say no, seek professional help if needed. Number 2. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that has been traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine to help the body cope with stress. It may help balance cortisol levels and promote a sense of calm. You can find ashwagandha in supplement form or as a powdered herb to add to smoothies or other beverages. Number 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and may help regulate cortisol levels. Consider incorporating these foods into your diet or taking a high-quality fish oil or algae-based omega-3 supplement. Number 4. Magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a role in numerous bodily functions, including stress management. It can help regulate cortisol production and promote relaxation. Good dietary sources of magnesium include dark leafy greens, nuts and seeds, legumes, and whole grains. Magnesium supplements are also available. Number 5. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that supports adrenal gland function and may help reduce cortisol levels. Citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, kiwi, and leafy greens are excellent dietary sources of vitamin C. Alternatively, you can consider taking a vitamin C supplement. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which has been shown to promote relaxation and reduce stress. It can help modulate cortisol levels and provide a calming effect. Brew yourself a cup of green tea or try L-theanine supplements if you prefer a concentrated form. Number 7. Rhodiola rosea. This is another adaptogenic herb that has been traditionally used to combat stress and fatigue. It may help regulate cortisol levels and improve the body's response to stress. Supplements are available in capsule or tincture form. Number 8. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health and may have a positive impact on stress and cortisol levels. They help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which can influence the body's stress response. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and other fermented foods are good dietary sources of probiotics. Probiotic supplements are also available. Number 9. Vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency has been associated with increased cortisol levels. Adequate vitamin D levels are important for overall health, including hormone regulation. Get regular sunlight exposure or consider taking a vitamin D supplement, especially if you live in a region with limited sunlight or have limited sun exposure. Number 10. B vitamins. B vitamins, particularly vitamins B5, pantothenic acid, and B6, pyridoxine, play a role in adrenal gland function and cortisol synthesis. Good food sources of B vitamins include whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and animal products. B-complex supplements are also available. Always be sure to consult with your doctor to make sure these supplements do not interfere with any medicines you may be taking. Your doctor can also do blood work to see if you are deficient in any of these vitamins mentioned. Hope you were able to learn some new ways to manage your stress and always a good reminder on some of them. Cortisol levels are an important part of keeping your body balanced, which is why keeping your stress levels low is vital. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Check out the next video to continue your path to better health. Have a happy day.